go. Gold Rush Mini. Number 38. Let me see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh. Did we botch? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whoa. How am I off that bad? I'm off pretty freaking bad here. That's good. E. That's good. Corey. Okay, that's what I missed. I just need both Corey's teams. Bears, Packers. Bears. Oh, shoot. Oh, boy. Bears, Packers. Okay, so Bears and Packers. I forgot to mark them down. Justin and Justin. Okay. All right, boys. I need both Justins to pick another team. Sorry about that, guys. My apologies. I screwed Corey over and didn't mark that down. So I need each of you boys. Colts. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Colts. And then Justin E. I need one spot for you. And Colts. You guys are hilarious. You guys are twins. You guys are twins. Take a good look at the list here. Steelers. Switch Chiefs. The Lions. No problem. Done. Eagles. Done. Alright. Let's see if that works out in your guys' favor or see what happens. 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5. Corey C is on top. Tanner B is on the bottom. Alright. Alright, Tanner B. Caleb Justin. I wonder why the chat screwed up today. Chat, are we cooked? Premium packs, guys. We got other breaks cooking as well. NBA jerseys, you name it. Gotta be. Caleb, boys, Jags, Corey, gotta be Russia. Cardinals, Ravens, Bears, Packers, Justin E. Falcons, Broncos, Chiefs, Chargers, Rams, Giants, Eagles, Niners. Justin K. Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Colts, Vikes, Patriots, Saints, Steelers, Seahawks, Titans. Tanner B. Browns, Lions, Texans, Raiders, Dolphins, Jets, Bucks, and Skins. And yeah, seriously. What are you guys doing for March Madness? You guys got any? You guys doing anything? Anybody doing anything crazy? Like I said, I know Nick's out of town. I believe he's in Atlantic City. Hopefully, it's huge. Hopefully, he hits huge. We'll be doing all kind of breaks. 10 by 10 we're going to do after this. $10 a spot. So guard your privacy. What the hell? What the heliante is that? Doug Flutie for the Chargers. 300-57455. Doug Flutie. Doug Flutie for the Chargers. Alright, Doug Flutie. The Chargers. Justin E. Alright, Justin, there you go. Doug Flutie on the Chargers. $317 St. Patty's. Alright, very nice looking mini helmet there. 5 times on the randomizer, guys. Justin K, guaranteed a free spot. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5. Justin K, 2 spots for you. Alrighty. 38 Gold Rush Mini bonus breaky poo. Boom, 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 bada bing, bada boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. All right, very good. We'll get another mini helmet going, guys. We got premium packs working, comic books working, NBA jersey, full-size basketball, autographed baseballs, autographed baseball jerseys, full-size baseball bats, comic books. We got all kind of stuff. Whatever you guys want to do. All right, guys. Thank you. Join the Facebook group. More breaks coming up.